So do people really understand how an appellate court system works?
No, I think
feel
that,
like everybody thinks trials when they think of courts.
of course, they think of trials, they think of juries, they think of witnesses on the stand. You think of live testimony, and of course, so many people are familiar, or at least they think they are, with the legal system because they watch a lot of television.
The law and order isn't helping.
Well, it's not that it's hurting, okay? But the problem is that it's funny because when my kids were younger and they used to watch shows like that, they would say, "Why did he do that?" And I would say, "Because that's the way they wrote the script." But in real life, it's not like that.
It's a different animal.
In real life, it's a very different animal. I mean, the rules of the game are very finite in the practice of law and in trial practice. So the way that evidence comes in, the way that witness testimony, it's all part of the rule book.
Sure.
And you have to follow the rule book. The rule book doesn't so much matter in drama, so that's the good news. This is that they have a lot more leeway, but I have yet to see someone, as I saw in Perry Mason many, many times growing up, stand up and say, "I did it, Your Honor."
It doesn't happen.
I'm waiting for that moment. You know, I keep hoping something will occur one day that will be surprising. But so far, it's pretty much the same thing, which is one side has their version of what happened, and the other side has their version of what happened. And depending upon whether or not it's a civil case or a criminal case, the evidence is what makes a difference to the appellate court. We like to look at it as our responsibility to read the record to determine whether or not the trial court, sitting as the trier of fact, it could have been a judge, it could have been a jury of people just like you,
Sure.
whether or not you actually evaluated that evidence properly and applied the law that was given to you. So that's kind of what we do.